Welcome to Smart Sale Real Estate. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: why auctions are thriving in Auckland's real estate market despite the current conditions. For more property tips, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Conventional wisdom tells us that auctions need two things to succeed: competition and motivated buyers. So why are auctions working more than ever in Auckland? Let's find out. Auckland's property market has been anything but predictable lately, with fluctuating prices and varying levels of buyer interest. It's a challenging landscape for sellers and agents alike. Typically, auctions thrive in markets with high competition and motivated buyers. However, recent trends show a different story in Auckland. One key reason is the changing dynamics within the market. The number of listings and buyer behaviours are evolving, creating a unique setting where auctions can still succeed. One key factor is the changing dynamics between buyers and sellers. Despite fewer buyers, those who are active are highly motivated. Sellers, on the other hand, are increasingly turning to virtual auctions to expedite the selling process. This shift has created a unique environment where auctions can still flourish even without the traditional high competition. The transparency and urgency of virtual auctions are key factors driving this trend. Buyers appreciate the clear and decisive process, while sellers benefit from quicker turnaround times. Virtual auctions offer a transparent and efficient method for selling property. For buyers, they provide a clear and decisive way to secure a home without lengthy negotiations. For sellers, virtual auctions create a sense of urgency, potentially leading to quicker sales at favourable prices. This dual appeal is crucial in maintaining auction popularity in Auckland. Moreover, virtual auctions are now being seen as a way to achieve a fair market price quickly, which is particularly appealing in a volatile market. As a seller or real estate agent, understanding and capitalising on this trend can be highly beneficial. It is key to emphasise the transparency and efficiency of virtual auctions in your marketing efforts. Highlight success stories and leverage data to show potential clients why virtual auctions might be the best route for their property sale. This strategic approach can attract both sellers and buyers looking for certainty in an uncertain market. Utilising modern platforms and marketing tools can enhance your reach and demonstrate the effectiveness of virtual auctions to a much broader audience. Social media is playing a critical role in attracting and educating purchasers in the real estate market. Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Social Easy are essential tools for reaching potential buyers and providing them with valuable information. YouTube is a powerful platform for showcasing virtual property tours, auction highlights, and educational content about the buying process. By utilising engaging videos, you can attract a larger audience and provide the information buyers need to make informed decisions. Facebook allows you to connect with your audience on a more personal level, share real-time updates, and foster a sense of community. Posting regularly about upcoming auctions, property listings, and success stories can keep buyers engaged and informed. Social Easy is a rising platform that combines the best features of various social media channels, offering a unique way to engage with potential buyers through interactive content and personalised recommendations. Utilising Social Easy helps reach a more targeted audience and provides a seamless experience for your clients. By leveraging these platforms effectively, more buyers can be attracted and educated about the auction process and ultimately drive more successful sales at higher prices. In conclusion, Auckland's auction market is thriving because of the changing dynamics between buyers and sellers. plus the inherent benefits virtual auctions provide. Social media plays a pivotal role in attracting and educating purchasers, making it an essential tool to sell your house. If you're considering selling your property or want to learn more about virtual auction processes, get in touch with us at Smart Sale Real Estate. Follow us on social media for more updates and tips on navigating Auckland's real estate market. Finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful videos. Grant Hackett, signing off.